Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature a variety of hot hairstyles that you can rock this summer season. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up this summer, this video is for you. If you feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and of course, you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a bob haircut transformation. Looks like the stylist is going to be doing a mini bob or a jaw length style bob. Nice bangs cut in the front. Very French girl style vibes. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the wavy texture the stylist added as well. Beautiful. Next up, we see someone with strawberry blonde hair. And it looks like they're going with one of the hottest colors for the summer, and that is of course copper. We've been seeing this hair color trend for like the past 2 years or so. Wow. She looks absolutely radiant. This is an amazing shade for her complexion. It really just warms her up. Absolutely stunning. So then we see this beautiful blonde lob haircut. Gorgeous cut and color transformation. And then we see this very pretty reddish brown pixie bob style. The pixie bob is also trending at the moment. It features elements of both the pixie and the bob. So we have a color change for this one. Wow. Beautiful bright blonde. So much dimension with the color. This is absolutely stunning. And I love a bob that features curtain face framing bangs. Followed by another blonde bob. Face framing highlights with that one as well. And then we have a haircut from Wes Does Hair. I love the fact that Wes Does Hair works with numerous different clients of all ages and backgrounds. Looks like he might be doing a bob with this one. Gorgeous. I love the fact that she kept her natural hair color. Beautiful layers with this bob. Gorgeous. Great way to add some texture and volume to the hair. Then we have another chic sandy blonde bob. Gorgeous face framing highlights with that one as well. I feel like nowadays you can't do color without doing the face framing highlights. Like, it's just the perfect way to accent the color and the face. And then we have a chic little bob haircut here. Beautiful deep part on the side. Followed by another pixie bob style. This one is all black. Gorgeous. Now with the pixie bob, we are seeing the hair longer in the front, shorter in the back, kind of like a mullet. But of course it is a pixie bob. So here we have a mini bob style. Mini bobs are another great alternative to the pixie bob, as well as the pixie. Next up, we have another hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut with this one as well. The bob is a great style for the summer season. A lot of women tend to go shorter during the summer because it is hot and they want something that's fresh but still stylish that won't make them too hot. Oh, it looks like he actually ended up doing more of a pixie bob. Very nice. So moving on, we see more of a bob. Beautiful texture for this cut, some color being added. Gorgeous. So then we have another hair color transformation. Looks like she's also going copper. Wow, I can already see that this is going to be beautiful. He's mixing in some curtain bangs. Wow, that color looks absolutely stunning. Unreal transformation. And he also did the eyebrows too. Really enhances the color. Beautiful layered cut. Amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you want to see more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.